Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. The best internet resources about how to find the right dog. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to find the right dog is blogs.telegraph.co.uk. Specifically the page titled The Devious Life Cycle of Dog Worms and How to Get Rid. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.dog-obedience-training-revieww.com, especially the page How to Train a Dog, Dog Training Tips and Techniques for. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.huffingtonpost.com. The web page How to Find the Best Doctors, the Huffington Post. This is the link.